Well, good morning. This is Ric Miller, and I'm a realtor, and thank you for watching my Jadico Properties YouTube channel, where we are dedicated to making you a better buyer and seller of real estate so you can make the best decisions for yourself and your family. The other day, a client asked me to look at an investment property with him. He began telling me how he wanted to move this wall and that wall and add a bedroom and turn the existing bathrooms into Jack and Jills so he could save money. And by doing so, he could list the house with more bedrooms and subsequently get a higher sales price. Well, this all sounded good. My friend had a great idea, but if I was going to be the one that was going to be selling the property for him, I needed to make him aware of something. When adding bedrooms to a house that sits on a septic system, it does not matter if you are increasing square footage or not. You first need to consider your first consideration must be the septic tank. Septic tanks are not rated based on the number of bathrooms in a house, contrary to what many people think or assume. Septic tanks are based on the number of bedrooms in a house. The assumption is the more bedrooms, the more occupants of the property, the larger the septic system required. Obviously, not being mindful of this could really create a problem down the road if you're needing a CO from your county, or after the property is sold, the system begins to fail. Most often, the septic system rated for a 3-bedroom will accommodate an additional room or 2. However, septic systems aren't cheap, so be prudent and do a little extra investigating. Call your county extension before you knock down the first wall. And if you're looking to buy and you are looking at a 5-bedroom, but the county record reflects something different, throw up a yellow flag and get some documented clarification from a source other than the seller or seller's agent. Thank you for watching. If you're looking to sell, good luck with your sale. And if you're looking to buy, well, happy house hunting.